Right guys and girls, welcome back. So apparently they says this hasn't got any low light with it, but it is a nice day. It's cloudy and all that, so obviously as it's cloudy, 120 frames per second, 1080p. There's just normal stabilization on the camera lens. So just gonna put this back on and see how many frames per second, if it's smooth or not. And I've got this on super wide as well, so let's try it. Doing about 15 miles per hour. $17, $16, $15. Got the cows there still. It is the 24th of July, 2019. So yeah, it's pretty good. Anyway guys and girls, I'll be back in a minute.